Good morning guys. It's Saturday. So it's cleaning day in allotment today. So we are in our way there. And then we're going to harvest the potatoes and the cabbages maybe. So see you later guys. Hello again guys. Welcome back to gardening life in Sweden. And we are already done with the cleaning here in the allotment, so I'm now in my garden, and then I am going to show you how I'm going to store the dahlia tubers. I have the dahlia here. If you see my pretty dahlia, they were damaged by the frost, and I don't think they're going to make it because it's already soon the middle of October. We are in winter season in soon. So now I'm going to dig up all the tubers. Well, so as you see guys, these are the dahlia, and as I said, they are already damaged by the frost. Tignan nyo, they are very pretty, but I don't think they're going to make it anymore or bear flowers. So now I'm going to dig them up to store for winter. So here, what I'm going to do is just to dig around it. So this is the tuber. Tingnan nyo. Ang daming po. Yan siya. This one is really a lot. So these are my Galdiolous. Ang lilit nila. Potatoes here. And I'm planning to harvest them because it's always raining here. The moment of truth. Ta-da! See, may mga potatoes. Very linda. Tanyas. So now we're going to take the cabbages. We're taking them home too. Look at this. They are not very big, but it's okay. Get something anyway. These are for storing. So guys, here, these are the cabbages. So this is the last cabbages that I have in the garden, so I already take them out to store. And then the pumpkin, oi, and then we get some beetroot here, and the last potatoes that we have. Like den här. I korgen. Här. Ja. Så där. So that is so these are the Dahlia and the Galdiolous tubers. So I still have this one. This is the only left in the garden. Some of the red beets and kale and some of the green leafy vegetables. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye bye.